Howdy y'all, Kevin here. Time for another product opening video. I know you guys are riveted by this. Without further ado, let me move the camera and we'll get to it. On tap today, the new French press pantry. Alright, so the main difference between this pantry and the other pantries is this comes with the French press instead of the cup and lid and so on and so forth. This is your standard 48 ounce Pathfinder French press. And in the pantry bag are 8 ounce and 16 ounce tins. The 8 ounce tins will fit inside the pantry for stowing this thing away. Yay! So it is 6 16 ounce tins for your various sundries that you need a little bit more of, and 5 of the 8 ounce tins, which actually go inside the French press. So normally I've got the old pantry and I keep dry goods in the large ones, you know, like flour and sugar and all those kind of things, cornmeal. Now, to put all this stuff in here, you're gonna have to actually take this apart. So there's really nothing to that. Let me get all these things out of the bags. So, this is what we got. Now these will actually go down inside here. This will come apart. It'll have just the lid on there. This comes apart for cleaning, but you know, now we're taking it apart so we can actually stow it. So, inside the large tins, like I said, I keep my larger quantity staples that I need, like flour and sugar and those kind of things. Then the things I don't need quite so much of, like spices and things like that, like salt and pepper and those kind of things, I keep in the smaller tins. But to use this thing, to utilize and to hide all this stuff, I would put the strainer on the bottom. Put the 16 ounce tins on top of that. This is exciting, isn't it? I'm going to slip this down beside all those tins, and the same thing with the top nut. That is the handle for the press, and all the rest of the stuff will stay inside the French press. Go inside here, and tie it up. As an alternative, you can keep the French press in the bottom. But I use my French press more than I use those other things, so I would keep it on the top. And this is a brand new bag, so it's not quite soft yet. I'm going to have to beat it a little bit and soften it up. There you go. The French press pantry kit from Pathfinder. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your views. Thanks for your support. If you want to buy this thing, please use my affiliate link. It's in the description box. And that's really all I've got for today. Y'all have a good one. I got my van back today, so got to get it loaded back up. May not have a video tomorrow. Talk to you later. Bye.